It's a beautiful day in Ahwatukee, Arizona. Christian here with Everything Residential. We're doing a service call. Come take a look. So we have a whole service department, and these guys needed some baseboard installed. They have this beautiful floor redone. Check it out, it's brand new, looks great. We're gonna be very careful, and we're gonna redo all the baseboards around it. So, service calls, we're getting started. Let's roll the intro, see you on the other side. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we got the garage perfectly cleaned up, did not affect the floor in any way. Here is your finished product. Beautiful baseboard all the way around. It's a little bit cheaper MDF, but this is what the customers wanted. Wrapped around the bullnose here. And that's your end result. So everything's clean. Existing dirt they had, we just put some new board in. And the walls are a little bowed, but there it is. It looks really good. We are out of here. We're gonna go hit up Nate the Great at the a job we sold to build a little wall, partition wall. So
I created a monster, cause somebody wants to see Martian no more. They want shady, I shop look. Well, if you want shady, this is what I'll get you. A little bit of weed mixed with some hard liquor, some rock, I thought it jump start.
China.
Nate the Great here out in Gilbert, Arizona today. What we're doing is we're closing out a kitchen because there's too much noise going on, so we want the living room to be able to watch TV and everything in peace. You see, we have our 2x4x10 here. Always got to make sure it goes to the concrete. Get that nice and solid for the foundation. Open it and expose here, the 2x4 on the roof, and then our studs will go and screw on into that. You can see here, it'll come out 10 feet. Our ceiling's 8 feet. Nice little halfway point. Save the trim on the side, put it back on, and stay tuned for the progress.
Using the hammer drill, the 1/2-inch concrete bit, and we will be putting some sealant down first. Sealant goes down to seal the 2x4 to the concrete, and after that we will be putting in these little red heads. Has like a shear strength of like, I don't know, 1,000 pounds. So
cause you know I got the bugs, and I'm zooted up, finna get this drywall up.
ooh, here we are. Part 2, day 2, I should say. We're gonna be hanging up sheetrock. Any words of wisdom, Nate? What's the words of wisdom for today?
Make it look clean and precise so my boy Mario doesn't get mad at us. So,
Can you go through it?
No, don't go through.
Okay.
You guys see this? You guys wanna look at this, it's actually pretty cool. So here's your, so it's big white, and then black's always right, that's how I remember it. And so if you do this right here, you put this one right here like this.
oh, Christian, bro.
What happened?
You electrocuted. No way. Rubber on it.
Nate the Great here with Everything Residential again. Yesterday we left off with the base plate with our 2x4. We got our top plate in and our studs, and now you have your basic foundation for the wall, all up to code. We're gonna be installing 2 receptacles. We have our 14-2 ran here. We're gonna tap into the existing power with this receptacle. And then as you can see, we had to notch the wood, but you can't just put this back in without making the wire exposed. So we're gonna put some metal plates here to protect it and anything behind the wall so that that never gets nicked. Throwing up some rock. Stay tuned for the final product. It's looking good, huh? Another service call finished up here. Nate the Great, Christian threw up some rock. Now we're just waiting for the other crew to come in. All the electrical is good. Service calls. Let us know what Everything Residential could fix for you, and give us a call at the One Stop Shop.